Welcome to Learn with Dalsrock. In today's video, I am going to walk you through the process of creating custom tumblers for a special anniversary gift. Your first step is to create your design on Cricut Design Space. Your dimensions needs to be accurate, therefore it is very important to measure your glasses before beginning. Click on New Project. I'm going to click on Text. And I'm just going to quickly go to the text that my client required. Now, my client wanted to create these tumblers for her anniversary. So I needed to change the font a bit in order for Cricut to print this correctly. And I also needed to add an offset, which I will be showing you how to do this in the next video. In order for you to change your font, you can click on font and you can select whatever font you desire. Now, the best font that I found so far that works with small wordings is Cricut Sans. Okay, and also what I had to do is adjust my width and my height. Now, I recommend leaving this lock button locked as it does help a lot to keep the wording in proportion. So if you wanted to increase the width, you can just click up, and if you wanted to decrease, you just click the bottom, or you can customize it to whatever dimensions you would require. So if you want the width to be 10 centimeters, you can just put in 10 and click enter, and you'll see the height will automatically adjust accordingly. The next step is to place your vinyl on the Cricut mat and let the machine do the cutting. Now, I had to redo the font of this project because the Cricut machine was not cutting the font very well. Now, I will be doing a video separately to this video on how to cut small fonts using the Cricut Maker. In the final project, after many trials and errors, I ended up using Cricut Sand, and this worked perfectly. In order to save on some vinyl, I make sure that I cut closest to the wording, and I would later use the scrap pieces of vinyl for other projects. In this next step, it's important that you do it very slowly in order to ensure that your wording comes out correctly and that your wording is not stuck to the scrap piece of vinyl. And here's the finished look. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can see more of my content.